What's up, guys? You may not have known this, but I had a second channel that I got locked out of because I forgot the password. Well, recently I hit 15 subscribers, which is just as many as the other channel. So as a celebration, if you go into the the advanced setting for a video, you could change what type of content it is. There's entertainment, how-to, and lifestyle, and music, and educational, and a ton of other different things. Well, as a celebration, I'm going to make a video that'll fill every one of those different types of videos. Today we're going to be doing how-to and lifestyle, that genre of YouTube video. So today I'll be showing you how to sew a hole in my pants. See, look at that. There's a hole in my pants. And so I'm going to be getting thread and showing you how to fix that. So we've got thread and scissors and a needle. So now all that's left to do is show you how to fix a hole in your pants. Alright, so as you can see, that's not going to rip. It's pretty good. So basically the tutorial is that you just got to grab thread, put it in a needle and send it, and then your pants are fixed. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, they give you a home, they give you some snacks, and they give you money when you spend it all on Jack. And that is why you should subscribe.